Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to wash organic blueberries. First, gather your fresh organic blueberries and a colander. It's crucial to remember that you should only wash blueberries right before you intend to enjoy them. Washing them too early can remove their natural protective bloom, which is a waxy coating that helps preserve their freshness and flavor. This simple step ensures your berries stay delicious for longer. Now, let's move on to the washing process itself. Place your blueberries in the colander under cool, gently running water. Allow the water to flow over them for approximately 30 seconds. While rinsing, use your hands to gently agitate the berries, ensuring that all surfaces are thoroughly cleaned. It's important not to soak blueberries, as prolonged exposure to water can make them mushy and reduce their vibrant flavor. Once your blueberries are thoroughly rinsed, the next critical step is proper drying. Carefully transfer the washed berries from the colander onto a clean, soft kitchen towel. Then, using another clean towel or a few sheets of paper towel, gently pat the blueberries dry. It's essential to ensure they are as dry as possible. Any residual moisture can encourage mold growth, significantly shortening their shelf life and impacting their delicious quality. Finally, let's talk about storing your freshly washed and dried organic blueberries. For optimal freshness, place them in a single layer in an airtight container. To help absorb any lingering moisture and keep them fresh, line the bottom of the container with a clean paper towel. Store these delicious berries in your refrigerator. They are best enjoyed within 5 to 7 days to savor their peak flavor and texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.